We are glad to introduce you to our collection of interactive sound books with games. Match pictures throughout the book with sound buttons to create an interactive story. Popular Play a Sound titles are full of interactive fun and favorite children characters. Sound buttons combine with images throughout the story for hours of play-along fun. These books include an interactive game and game board for extra playtime fun. Children go on an adventure guided by their favorite characters. First they read a book, then they play a game. Electronic spinner guides through the game. Game pieces included. Check the new arrivals: Disney Bolt, Disney Pixar Up, Space Chimps, Tinkerbell, Disney Pixar, WALL-E, Indiana Jones and the Kingdom of the Crystal Skull, Sony Pictures Animation, Surf's Up, Disney Meet the Robins, Transformers, Ratatouille, and my favorite, Happy Feet.